What's up, science stars? Welcome back to the channel. I know you've been grinding hard for your term exams, and today we're giving you the ultimate advantage. We're diving straight into the Grade 9 Science third term test paper from the Northwestern Province, NWP 2024. This isn't just a quick look, this is a complete speed run.
Environment and plant adaptations. Question: which of the following natural environment having fleshy leaves and latex in leaves is thorn bushes and scrublands, monsoon forest, montane forest, tropical rainforest? 1. Thorn bushes and scrublands. Reasoning: fleshy leaves are an adaptation to store water, xerophytic, and latex helps seal wounds quickly to prevent water loss. Both are features of plants in dry environments like scrublands, where water availability is low. Human circulatory system. Question: the chamber of the heart with thicus wall is right atrium and right ventricle. Right ventricle, left aorta, left ventricle. Answer: 4. Left ventricle. Reasoning: the left ventricle has the thickest muscular wall because it is responsible for pumping oxygenated blood to the entire body, systemic circulation, requiring maximum force and pressure. Measurement and units. The measuring SI unit of pressure is npkgm squared. Answer: 2 p Pascal. Reasoning: pressure is force per unit area, P equals F divided by A. The SI base unit is newtons per square meter, N per meter squared, which is named the Pascal PA, Q04. Physics vector quantities. Question: which of the following statement is correct about the force is referred as a vector quantity with only a magnitude, with a magnitude and without direction, with a magnitude and with direction, magnitude and a direction, without magnitude and without direction? Answer: 3. With magnitude and a direction. Reasoning: a vector quantity, like force, is defined by both its magnitude, size, and its direction. Defects of vision question: which of the following diagram shows the vision of far object with a person with defect of short sight? Answer: 1. Reasoning: short sight, myopia, means the image focuses in front of the retina because the eyeball is too long or the lens is too powerful. Diagram 1 shows the focal point before the retina. Origin of life. Question: which of the following is considered as modern theory of origin of life on the Earth? Life was originated from non-living things in a spontaneous manner. Life were created by a supernatural power. Living organisms established on Earth from a fallen meteor. Living organisms originated due to biochemical process. Answer 4. Living organisms originated due to biochemical process. Reasoning: the accepted modern theory is biochemical evolution, which proposes that life arose from non-living organic molecules through chemical synthesis on the primitive Earth. Graphs and relationships. Question: which of the following graph correctly illustrate the relationship between natural disasters and the global warming? Answer: 1. The graph showing a line moving upwards and to the right. Reasoning: as global warming increases, the frequency and severity of natural disasters also increase. This represents a direct relationship, positive correlation. Simple machines, levers. Question: the diagram given below shows a person trying to remove a rock using a crowbar. Statement and reason. Statement: above simple machine belongs to the second order leader reason, the load located in between fulcrum and a fjord. Answer 1. Statement and reason are correct. Reasoning, this setup is a Class 2 lever because the load, the rock, is located between the fulcrum, the tip on the ground, and the effort, the hand pushing down. The statement and the reason are both accurate. Density calculation. Question. Find the mass of water completely filled to the tank of the volume of 5 cubic meters. Density of water 1,000 kilograms per square meter. 0.5 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 500 kilograms, 5,000 kilograms. Answer 4. 5,000 kilograms. Formula, mass M equals density R Ocho times volume phi. Calculation, M equals 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter times 5 cubic meters equals 5,000 kilograms. Q10. Blood components. Question, which of the following is correct about the component of blood and its function? Red blood cell, right arrow transport nutrients. White blood cell, on right arrow transport oxygen. Blood plasma, non right arrow transport excretory matter platelets. Body right arrow transport enzymes. Answer 3. Blood plasma, my right arrow transport excretory matter. Reasoning, plasma, the liquid component of blood, transports various dissolved substances including nutrients, hormones, and metabolic excretory matter, such as urea. Mixtures. Question. Not a homogeneous mixture is mixture of Candace and water, mixture of glucose and water, mixture of wheat flour and water, mixture of ethanol and water. Answer 3. Mixture of wheat flour and water. Reasoning, a homogeneous mixture is uniform, a solution. Wheat flour does not dissolve, it forms a suspension, heterogeneous mixture, where particles will settle over time. Simple machines. Question. A simple machine used to lift it up water is lever, ensign, plave, pulley, axle, and wheel. Answer 3. Pulley. Reasoning, a fixed pulley is commonly used in wells to change the direction of the force, making it easier to lift water buckets.
Environmental biology. Question. The process of microorganisms in environment which convert nitrogen gas to nitrate iron is bioremediation, bioleaching, industrial microbiology, biological fixation. Answer 4. Biological fixation. Reasoning, the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen gas, N2, into usable nitrates, NO3-, by certain bacteria, e.g., Rhizobium, is called biological nitrogen fixation. Blood transfusion. Question. Blood agglutination is occurred in a person after a transfusion of blood. What can be the blood groups of recipient and donor of above transfusion? Recipient with blood group A and donor with blood group A. Recipient with blood group B and donor with blood group AB. Recipient with blood group AB and donor with blood group B. Recipient with blood group AB and donor with blood group A. Answer 2. Recipient with blood group B and donor with blood group AB. Reasoning. Agglutination occurs when the recipient's antibodies match the donor's antigens. Recipient B has anti-A antibodies. Donor AB has A and B antigens. The anti-A antibodies will attack the A antigens on the donor cells, causing clumping. Q15. Microorganisms. Question. Given below are some characteristics of microorganisms named as A and B. A and B respectively are: A. Can be found unicellular and multicellular organisms. Sexual structures can be seen with naked eye. B. No cellular organization. Can be seen through electron microscope. Answer 1. Fungi. Virus reasoning. A. Fungi includes both yeast, unicellular, and mold, multicellular, and has visible reproductive structures. B. Virus lacks cells entirely and is submicroscopic. Question 16. Nanoscience. Question. Which of the following is correct consideration of nanometer? Answer 4. 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. Q17. Human eye question. The structure in human eye with light-sensitive rod cells and cone cells is sclerotic layer, choroid layer, optic nerve, retina. Answer 4. Retina. Reasoning. The retina contains the photoreceptor cells, rods for dim light, cones for color, that are responsible for vision. Plant movements. Tropism. Question. An example of positive geotropism movement occurred in plant is: plant roots grow towards the earth. Growth of pollen tube towards the overshrinking of mimosa, leaves due to touch plant apex bended towards the light. Answer 1. Plant roots grow towards the earth. Reasoning. Geotropism is movement in response to gravity. Positive means movement towards the stimulus, downwards, which is characteristic of roots. Ecosystems. Question. An example for interrelationship between biotic and abiotic components of the ecosystem is weathering of rocks. Due to solar heat, plants absorb water from the soil. Animals use plants as their habitats. Animals contributes for dispersal of fruits and seeds. Answer 2. Plants absorb water from the soil. Reasoning. This is the only option showing the interaction between a biotic living factor, plants, and an abiotic non-living factor, water, soil. Green concept. Question. Given below are some definitions of green concept. Which of above statements referred green concept? A. Minimally harm to the environment during the maintaining of goods and services. B. Increasing the harvest by using chemical fertilizers and pesticides in gases during the transportation. C. Minimize the emission of greenhouse gases during the transportation. Answer 4. A and C. Reasoning. The green concept promotes environmental sustainability. A is correct, minimizing harm. B is incorrect, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides cause pollution. C is correct, minimizing emissions.
Шесть утра, и город спит. Дым на стекле, и дождь молчит. Я сжег твои письма, пепел летит, а в каждом слове то, что болит. Тень твою храню на коже, твой голос звучит. Все тише, но все же память режет, как стекло, но отпустить не суждено. Стеклянный